So this question looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question. I say that because the question is more than 4 lines long. Traditionally, all I do with these types of longer questions is to read them pretty slowly, make sure I'm not reading the entire passage or paragraph without making sure I understand each part, and definitely writing down any quantitative information as I read it. So the first sentence here says, in 2007, U.S. economists gathered data about money collected for the arts, entertainment, and recreation industries in 8 states. Not sure this is important, but I'm going to just write it. 2007, 8 states. The next sentence says the ratio of money collected in all 8 states to the money collected in the state of Florida was 11 to 8. Okay, so 11 to 8 equals 8 states to Florida. That's what the question tells us. Next sentence says, if a total of X dollars was collected in all 8 states, so we go down here, those 8 states as my numerator in that fraction, in that ratio, I'm being told that's X. Which expression represents the total amount of money in dollars collected in Florida? So in essence, I have 11 over 8 is equal to X over, I'll say, Florida. I'm looking for the total amount of money in dollars collected in Florida, which in essence means I want to solve for Florida. I want to isolate this term, Florida. I'm treating Florida, the word, as if it were its own variable, and I'm isolating it. So if I were to multiply both sides of this by F, let's just call F Florida, then here it will cancel out. I have F 11/8 equals X. And then I'd multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 11/8 so that that can cross out on the left-hand side, and therefore I'd isolate my F alone on the left-hand side. So F for Florida would equal 8X over 11. Therefore, the correct answer here is choice A.